Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by cutting power and preventing surprises. First, unplug the transformer from the outlet and disconnect mains at the breaker. This removes live AC. Next, open the control panel and remove the backup battery so alerts stop. Once done, use a multimeter to confirm 0 volts at the panel terminals. This proves the system is fully de-energized. Make sure to keep screws and labels organized. This makes later reinstallation or disposal straightforward and safe. You'll now detach field devices carefully to avoid damage and false alarms. Start at one corner and work methodically. Label each sensor's wires with its zone number, then remove covers and batteries. Once a sensor is offline, loosen its terminal screw at the panel and free the conductor. Immediately cap or tape the exposed wire to prevent shorts. For hardwired door or window sensors, release the wiring harness and coil extra cable neatly. This keeps wiring tidy and reduces corrosion risk later. You complete removal by unscrewing and detaching the control panel from the wall, preserving mounting screws and labels for records. Before disposal, verify the monitoring company is deactivated so no alarm signals are sent. Once removed, use a multimeter to check any remaining wiring for stray voltage. If you read unexpected volts, recheck breakers and battery connections. If something goes wrong, retrace steps calmly. Reconnect battery and transformer to isolate the fault, or contact a...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.